You will be surprised that in just 45 days, I can grow a garden of eggplants full of fruit. Growing eggplant is not difficult. As long as you take care of it properly, you will have the eggplant garden you want. Please watch this video of mine. Today, I will guide you step by step how to plant and fertilize eggplant properly to get high yield. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants and high-yielding seedlings, I choose old eggplants. Take the firm seeds, dry them to make young plants. Fresh lemons can be antibacterial and very good against stem borers, so I will use fresh lemons cut into small slices and put the seeds on top. Then I will cover them with a layer of soil. After sowing the seeds, I will spray water to keep the seeds moist so they can germinate quickly. Today I will use a 20-liter can cut in half to grow eggplant. Now I will use a hole punch and punch around the 20-liter can. Now I will take a soda bottle with a small hole and a wick to fill it with water. After a few days of sowing the seeds, they have now sprouted and grown into young plants. I will plant them. After planting, I will put water in the bottle to let the wick flow from the wick to the soil to help the plant absorb enough moisture. After a few days of planting, now that the tree has taken root, I will add worm castings to the roots to help the tree absorb nutrients faster. To make the tree more stable, I added soil to the base to help stabilize the tree, increase nutrients, and improve the soil. At this stage, the tree is growing rapidly so that the tree does not fall over. I take a bamboo stick and stick it at the base and use a tie to secure the tree and the bamboo stick. To provide more nutrients for the plants, I mix liquid fertilizer with water and water the plants. The soil has been eroded over time, and the nutrients in the soil have also decreased. So, I will add more soil to the base of the tree to help it stand firmer and healthier. To keep the plant from drying out, water is required to be in the bottle at all times. So I continued to add water to the bottle. This is the stage when the tree needs a lot of nutrients to develop into fruit. I put worm manure at the base to help the tree absorb nutrients directly. This is the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly. To prevent this, we take chopped garlic and mix it with water and spray it on the plants. Garlic is very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. It's amazing that only 45 days old, the tree I planted has produced a lot of fruit. Now I'm going to harvest them and cook them. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.